How to fix black screen on Dell laptop. 1. Restart your graphics drivers. To do so, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Shift plus B2. Force shut down your laptop. 3. Boot into Windows Save Mode. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Restart the Explorer.exe. Process via WTM. 6. Repair your PC without losing any files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 7. Reset or update your Dell laptop BIOS. FYI, restoring the BIOS, basic input/output system, on a Windows PC typically involves resetting the BIOS settings to their default values. However, it's important to note that restoring the BIOS can be a delicate process, and any incorrect actions can potentially cause system instability or even render the computer inoperable. Proceed with caution and ensure that you have a backup of your important data before attempting any BIOS-related changes. To restore the BIOS on a Windows PC, you can follow these general steps. 1. Shut down your computer completely. 2. Locate the appropriate key to access the BIOS during the boot process. The key may vary depending on the manufacturer, but commonly used keys include ESC, F2, F10, or delete. You may see a message on the screen indicating which key to press to enter the BIOS. 3. Once you identify the correct key, restart your computer and continuously press that key until the BIOS setup utility opens. 4. Within the BIOS setup utility, navigate to the reset or load default option. The exact location may vary depending on the BIOS version and manufacturer. 5. Select the reset or load default option and confirm your selection when prompted. This action will restore the BIOS settings to their default values. 6. After the reset is complete, navigate to the Save and Exit option within the BIOS setup utility. 7. Select the Save Changes and Exit option, and the computer will restart with the restored BIOS settings. Please note that these instructions provide a general overview, and the exact steps may vary depending on your computer's manufacturer and BIOS version. It's crucial to consult your computer's documentation or the manufacturer's website for specific instructions tailored to your system. If you encounter any difficulties or are uncertain about making changes to the BIOS, it's recommended to seek assistance from a knowledgeable professional or contact the manufacturer's support.